Worldwide global virus cases have reached a new peak. CBS's Elizabeth Palmer brings us that part of the story.
India's COVID surge is getting worse. There were 400,000 new cases yesterday, and a stream of critically ill people arriving at hospitals already overfull. Everywhere there is a shortage of oxygen, in the hospitals and on the street, where family members line up for hours to refill tanks for patients at home. A Sikh temple in East Delhi even set up curbside oxygen for the very sickest, like Abu Sadat, whose brother is doing what he can until he can find hospital care. He's been looking for more than a week. As funeral pyres burn day and night, Indians are both devastated and furious. The country managed to beat its first COVID wave a year ago, and authorities opened up even to mass religious and political gatherings. Now, Indian families, especially the poor, are paying the price. The other COVID hotspot is Brazil, with a per capita death rate even higher than India's right now. A vaccination program that's reached into Brazil's vast interior has distributed more than 40 million doses. But in the cities, with no lockdown, it's no surprise the virus has continued to spread. And in Turkey, where the COVID rate started to climb steeply last month, authorities, anxious not to lose control, imposed the country's first ever national lockdown. And from Europe, at last, some good news. Both deaths and infections are falling as vaccination rates rise, and some countries are even starting to talk about opening their borders again to foreign travelers. Elizabeth Palmer, CBS News, London.